startup right to high. Down one setting from high. And another. And one more from that. And that is the off position, which the fan still runs when it's in off, just very low. So that's off, 1,